Hello Pisces, how are you? This is your general reading for July 2020. Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. Now we have this could resonate. This could resonate with your money, career, job situation, or any other aspect of your life. So let's see what's the card have in store for you. Ace of Pentacles. So this is something it's a very new idea or a offer of job or love. Basically, Pentacle card talks about money, but being this general reading, it could also talk about a love situation too. In such whatever resonates. Being a general reading, whatever resonates with your situation, there is something suddenly coming in for you. There is maybe wealth, money, in the form of bonus or in because you have worked some, previously maybe you have worked on something, so there is a sudden money coming to you, or a sudden message of money come to you, or maybe a job offer which gives you money in the slowly, which will get you more money. So this is the card. It's a great card, beautiful card. It is like a piece of information or money coming to you, which makes you a little rich. Yeah. Then we have the Chariot. So the Chariot card, forward movement. Maybe you are having you got an offer and you are moving for work somewhere, so you need to travel also, or maybe for your new business or partnership you are traveling. It could also be traveling for a love situation. Maybe you are going to meet your partner, or you both are traveling together for some. So it could be depending on your situation, whatever resonates with you, Pisces. So it also talks about, very balanced approach to taking the forward movements. So you have balanced out the, everything, and then you are taking it's not an impulsive decision that you are doing. So this card is for forward movement and travel for some of you. Ten of Pentacles. This card is of, family money, inheritance, buying, selling. So for some of you, it's like expanding your family business, or you are trying to grow your family money by investing in bonds, in stock market, or you are selling your house or buying a new house. It's somewhere related to your family money. Also, maybe you are trying to, in some cases, save money for your future, for your family, and working on that solid foundation, financial foundation. It talks about. So, Ten of Pentacles, again, beautiful card for Pisces. So we have one more card, this Wheel of Fortune. I feel there is a very positive change coming, with for some of you, those you have put your hard work and effort in your previous month. So you, now that you will reap the benefits and you are moving towards a better, more prosperous time, or a better time. Also in love, it could be like relationship wise, if you are waiting for, you were waiting for something, it's changing. So, and the change is for positive. So again, a very beautiful card. And the change will happen slowly. So one phase will end, and I feel with the Pentacles card and all coming, your money situation will get better with this Wheel of Fortune. Nice card. And then we have this Three of Cups. So celebration time. You are celebrating something with your friends and family. This card is for I got it for 3-4 zodiac signs. So reading. So this is that you are celebrating. Either you are celebrating it with your partner or lover, or you are celebrating it with your friends, or a partnership deal has come to you, and you are celebrating that partnership within yourselves. This card is about feeling happy and celebrating and joy for something, that positive thing has happened into your life. So Pisces, this is it. I'll pick one card from the bottom of the deck and see. King of Swords. King of Swords basically talks about, maybe there were certain things that no longer working for you. So you are trying to cut off that. It could be an idea, it could be a person, it could be a situation. So it's basically telling the things which have not worked for you, you are cutting it out of your life in July. So this is it, what I have, Pisces, for you. All the best. And if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.